Travel is always changing. I've seen it go from long, handwritten letters to book a room to now booking a flight on your phone. One of the newest changes is the Visa on Arrival app. So, what is it? A Visa on Arrival app is a tool on your mobile phone. It helps you prepare for getting your visa when you land in a new country. You do some of the paperwork before you even leave home. This makes the process much faster at the airport. You can fill out forms and pay fees in advance. It's a simple idea to make your journey smoother. This app is not a new type of visa. It is a new way to get an old type of visa. The Visa on Arrival has been around for a long time. It means you are allowed to get your visa when you arrive at the border. You don't need to visit an embassy beforehand. These Visa on Arrival apps are designed to be simple and useful. They pack several important functions into one place on your phone. The main goal is to collect all the information the immigration desk will need from you. One of the first things you will do is enter your passport details. Many apps have a feature that lets you scan your passport's main page. Point your camera at the passport app reads and fills in your name, passport number, date of birth. This reduces the chance of making a typing mistake. Next, you will need to provide a photograph. Upload a digital photo from your phone or take a selfie right then and there. The app will guide you on the requirements. Look straight ahead, plain background, no hat or sunglasses. This digital photo is then attached to your application. It saves you the trouble of visiting a photo booth before your trip. It is a very convenient feature for modern travelers. The app will also ask for your travel details. This is similar to a paper arrival card. You will enter your flight number, where you are coming from, and the address of where you will be staying: hotel, guest house, or friend's house. Some apps may also ask about the purpose of your visit, tourism or business. Finally, the app handles the payment and confirmation. Pay securely with a credit or debit card. Once submitted, you'll get a confirmation QR code or digital receipt to save and show at arrival. It is your proof that you have completed the pre-arrival steps. Using a Visa on Arrival app is a straightforward process. It is designed to be user-friendly, even if you are not very tech-savvy. The journey from downloading the app to getting your visa stamp can be broken down into a few simple steps. The first step is to find and download the correct app. Do this before you travel. Go to your phone's official app store. Search for the official Visa app for the country you are visiting and make sure it is the official government app. Once the app is installed, you can begin the application process. This is the part you can do from the comfort of your home. 1. Create an account. You will usually need to register with your email address and create a password. 2. Fill in your details. Enter your personal information. Use the app's scanner to capture your passport data. 3. Upload your photo. Take a new photo with your phone or upload an existing one that meets the requirements. 4. Enter travel information. Add your flight number, arrival date, and the address of your first night's stay. 5. Pay the fee. Use your credit or debit card to pay the Visa fee through the app's secure payment system. After you have submitted everything, the app will process your information. You will then receive a digital confirmation. This is the most important part of the pre-arrival process. This confirmation is usually a QR code, a square barcode, that holds your application data. You should save this code to your phone. It's a good idea to take a screenshot so you can access it even without internet when you land. This QR code is your key to the faster Visa on Arrival line. The final step happens at your destination airport. Look for the right counter, present your passport and QR code, answer any questions, and receive the Visa sticker or stamp. And that's it, you are officially in the country and ready to start your adventure. You might wonder why governments are creating these apps. The reasons are practical, forward-thinking. One of the biggest motivations is to make border crossings faster and more efficient. Long queues are a common complaint. By moving data entry and payment in advance, countries reduce time spent at the counter, shorter lines, and better flow. Security is another major driver. When you submit information before travel, border authorities can pre-screen visitors, review data ahead of time, and identify potential concerns before boarding. Digital pre-screening is more effective than first-glance paper checks at the border. It adds an important layer of security while welcoming legitimate visitors. Reducing paperwork is a big benefit. Traditional processes require printing, distributing, collecting, and storing forms, costly and wasteful. Digital systems eliminate most of this. Information is stored securely and is easier to manage and retrieve. Finally, traveler experience matters. Smooth, fast arrivals create positive first impressions and enhance a country's reputation as modern and friendly. By adopting digital tools like Visa apps, countries show they are keeping up with global trends and committed to pleasant travel for their guests. Faster processing at airports, better security and pre-screening, reduced paperwork, and improved traveler experience. It is a simple solution to a very old problem and a smarter way to manage borders. The idea of using an app for your visa on arrival is new, but it is catching on. Several countries are already using or testing digital tools to improve border processes. The list of countries is growing, so always check the latest rules before you travel. One of the early adopters is Pakistan. The Pakistan online visa system includes an option that functions much like a visa on arrival pre-approval. Apply online, get electronic authorization, finalize with a stamp on arrival. India uses e-visa widely and has digitized its arrival forms. All international passengers must fill out a digital arrival card online done through the Air Suvidha portal. This isn't a full visa app, but it's a step toward reduced paperwork and faster arrivals. In Southeast Asia, Thailand offers a visa on arrival for certain nationalities. Apply online, pay the fee, receive a code, and use a dedicated, faster lane. Indonesia has launched an electronic visa on arrival, allowing online application and payment before travel, streamlining the process. The UAE uses e-gates and smart tunnels. Qatar has simplified visas via online portals. Kenya is embracing digital systems for visas and arrivals. As technology becomes more accessible, expect many more countries to launch visa on arrival apps or similar online systems. It is the clear direction that border management is heading. When you plan your travels, you might hear about visa on arrival apps and e-visas. They sound similar, but they are actually two different things. It is important to understand the difference so you choose the right process for your trip. The main difference is when you receive the actual visa. With a visa on arrival app, you are only pre-registering. You do the paperwork and payment ahead of time. However, you receive the final, official visa sticker or stamp only after you arrive and see an immigration officer. The app helps you prepare, but the visa is granted at the border. An e-visa is a full visa approved before you travel. You apply on an official website, submit documents, pay, and if approved, receive an e-visa by email. You must print it and show it at check-in, and upon arrival, you have the visa before you leave home. The choice depends on the country's rules for your nationality. Some offer both, others only one. A country might require citizens of country A to get an e-visa, while allowing citizens of country B to use visa on arrival. In simple terms, the Visa on Arrival app speeds up a visa you get at the destination. The e-visa is obtained before you go. E-visas usually take days. App confirmations are often almost instant. Both are great tools but serve different steps. For anyone tired after a long flight, the benefits are clear and immediate. The most significant advantage is saving time, often with a special faster lane. This can cut waiting from an hour to minutes, so you get to your hotel, your meeting, or the beach much sooner. Filling paper forms in noisy halls leads to mistakes. An app guides you step by step in a calm environment, lets you double-check, and MRZ scanning reduces errors. This lowers the chance of issues at the counter. Paying in-app with a card is secure and transparent. You get a digital receipt and a record of your application. The app stores your QR and history with timestamps, easy to access and reassuring. Using the app before you pack gives peace of mind. It's one less thing to worry about when you land and helps you relax on the flight. Arrive feeling positive and ready to explore. It puts a little more power back into the hands of the traveler. While Visa on Arrival apps are fantastic, they are not perfect. The most obvious limitation is availability. These apps are still new and not everywhere. Even if a country has an app, it may only work for certain nationalities. Always check if you're eligible. Don't just assume it's available. Using the app is not a guarantee of entry. The app pre-registers you, but officers will still check your passport, may ask questions, and can deny entry if they have concerns. You must still meet standard entry requirements: valid passport, return ticket, sufficient funds. The app is for efficiency, not a magic key. Technical issues happen: dead batteries, no Wi-Fi, app maintenance, or scanner misreads. Have a backup plan, carry a printed QR and payment receipt, and bring the correct cash for visa fees. Travelers can get confused between an official visa app, an e-visa website, and a pre-registration portal. There are many unofficial third-party sites that charge extra fees. Always use the official government app or website. Double-check the country's embassy or immigration site. Being careful and well-informed helps you avoid scams and ensures a smooth arrival. Looking ahead, digital tools are the future of border crossings. The Visa on Arrival app is one piece of a larger puzzle. We're moving toward a world where your passport, visa, and boarding pass are all securely on your phone. Airports are testing facial recognition, letting you walk from curb to gate without showing a document. That's called seamless travel. These visa apps are an early, important step making arrivals smarter and faster. More countries will adopt them as they prove secure and efficient, and they'll integrate with airlines and other travel systems. Practical advice. If a country offers a Visa on Arrival app and you're eligible, use it. Saving time and reducing stress is worth the download. Small choices add up to better journeys. But always travel prepared. Tech is an assistant, not the only plan. Use the app, but keep backups, printed QR, screenshot on your phone, extra passport photos, and some cash. Being prepared for the unexpected is the oldest rule of travel. Embrace digital tools, but keep timeless travel wisdom. Happy travels.